Rockets today. See?
And what's this over here?
Iron number line. If you want to do this, you just need vinegar, some food coloring if you want. Wrap it up in a napkin or a Kleenex, and then stick it in. Put like this over it. You need a one of these, a cork. This is mine, and this is my brother's. These are my mom's soda pops that she didn't drink.
Did they go pretty high?
Yeah. The M's got stuck in the tree. So Dad climbed up all the tree. Dad got a video of him like.
Come back here.
Dad,
Here
hurry!
we go. Whoa!
Oh no!
You need to be careful.
Dad, don't put the lighter keeping it down.
Yeah, but that's pretty far out. Do you see it? There it goes. You got it.
I can see the reaction happening, but my vinegar is leaking out though. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Gonna explode on you. Whoa.